So I'm gonna keep that bit really under 2 minutes because I think it's maybe not worth exploring in depth in terms of building up quantum intuition. But what it's basically saying is the current state of the hardware, so the way the quantum computers are built, it just means you have to deal with the fact that they are not perfect, right? So basically here, this chapter talks about the coherence and concrete energy relaxation and dephasing. So what it's saying basically is that with time, the qubits lose information because of the external influences, right? So in order for those computers to work and the quantum mechanic effects to take place, the quantum computers must be at a really low temperature, etc., etc. So, and when they interact with the environment, they lose the quantumness, so to say. So they become so in this case of energy relaxation, what it basically saying is that the state one decays or tends to decay until it just becomes zero. So you cannot currently make really long circuits, so to say. And then dephasing is that it basically affects the superposition states. So states where you have that quantumness of it's 0 or 1 with equal probability, they stop. They kind of lose that quantumness with time. And basically here you have a really interesting so historically I think that's an interesting thing, and you see in terms of that's the IBM status, so how the implementations have been evolving throughout the years, and it's pretty good, I would say, but it's something that I guess it's hardware work, so it's not really interesting for us, but it's nevertheless a good thing to know.